Hello everyone! After a long time, I am once again back with a new and fresh painting in front of you. This painting totally made up with acrylic colors. I already have made so many acrylic colors and how to work with them step by step, so videos are available too. So if you want to know them, just subscribe my channel and search the appropriate video which is suitable for you. Friends, as I always do, I always give you one tip on each and every videos of mine. So today's tip is that if you are not sure about what color must be added to the area, then take one extra paper and mix the color and apply it and observe the color after drying it. Friends, the first and foremost step which is very important for painting is coloring the base layer. And while coloring the base layer, we need to give attention on highlights. We must not color the highlights on base layer. The color must be very light. Then for working with hair, you need to be very careful. Each and every hair line must be drawn individually. To show the thin layers, we need to paint very carefully. Friends, this painting is almost done and I am giving the finishing touches to the painting. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You must have learned something out of it. Friends, if you want that I should bring such art videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. From your subscription, I used to get more motivation so that I should give my best. I must create more quality videos for you and share with you. So friends, see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and keep painting. Bye.